Okay, number 43. So we have a closed interval, we have an X and a Y, T-chart, put my endpoints in it. Now get my critical points. This is a product rule. So first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. Okay, hopefully we're able to find that on your own. Factor out the e to the x that they have in common, and you're left with this. Okay, set that equal to 0. Well, e to the x equals 0? Never, always positive. When will cosine x plus sine x equal 0? Well, move one of them to the other side, either one, and it's basically when cosine and sine are opposites. So where in the interval from 0 to pi on your unit circle, 0 and pi, where are the sine and the cosine the same numbers but opposite signs? And that would be right here. Okay? And that is not pi over 4, but 3 pi over 4. That's our other critical point. Okay? Now plug those values into this, and because of the e, that's a little bit ugly. So when I plug in 0, sine of 0 is 0, so that's just going to be 0. Same thing when I plug in pi. Sine of pi is also 0, so that's 0. And since e is always positive and sine is positive in this quadrant, whatever I get here, I know this is going to be my maximum. It's just going to be a matter of what the heck does it look like. So plugging in 3 pi over 4, I get e to the 3 pi over 4, whatever, times the sine of 3 pi over 4, which is the square root of 2 over 2. That ugly answer right there, that's the answer. So I don't know how I want to write it. If I want to put the numbers out front or the e out front, it doesn't really matter. So I have square root of 2 over 2 e to the 3 pi over 4, and it has to be my max because it's positive. So these two are both my min, and this one is my max.